I would trust you.
I would just say something how with you.
You do care about the situation going. Oh my! Like Neptune. You just yeah, same. Oh wow! Nothing here.
Alright, let's rain the play.
That's a great idea, friend. All everything.
Seen it, count money in my dream. Yeah.
I want to turn friend. Yeah, we are something. How? Just right, bro.
Brun, wake up.
Oh, hey.
Wow, and you boys. Everyone, look.
That's funny. I'm an old boy's idea.
Are you crazy as hell? Who's talking for you?
Well, too. Yeah. We are kind of busy here.
What the? There's a voice again. I want to kill you. Ow.
Wait, stop. Stop. I'm not. You're so. I'm good. No. Oh, I'm falling. Holy shit. Take my house. Grammy. Lock. Yeah. Hey. Ah. Help me. Ah.
Guys, please hide.
I can now wake it in. Where is it?
Alright, guys. You have to survive it.
Yeah, we are lost in this house. But how we are doing going how now? Yeah, I think how is what's going on with you and lost in the beach. But how we do it in the beach? Alright, let's go to the beach. You see fine how. Oh yes, I do.
My friend.
Never be I do, fierce.
Wow.
Yes, I think the most assumed is you put something out when driving the ambulance.
What do you mean?
I have books or something. You see it.
No, wait, I won't check you see it. Oh, I got that the Mosasaurus is running towards the San Vito Bridge. The Mosasaurus went on the San Vito Bridge or destroyed San Vito Bridge. Many dinosaurs are killing off Velociraptor in the New York City. The New York City area is taken away in the San Vito. Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's the name of the colony.
Mosasaurus?
No. Dude. Something.
That's funny, dude. What happened, you think?
No. He can't be. It is.
I'm not using it.
What? Was rocks?
This is a long story, bro. We have to get out of here. We need to hide the water slide now.
No, we cannot. I'll take this is stupid idea.
Who took you out?
Nobody's friend.
This is a suggestion you didn't do.
Danny!
Rat. Wow. Wait, Hal, what are you doing?
Something's crazy. Not smart.
Oh, you're nuts. That thing can't be kill you.
I know it's not crazy. You're talking just us.
Us? Who's us?
Just talk us.
Okay, there.
What you have and need to get out of here now.
This is right. Hi.
How's he doing out?
I can hear some howl, some turning to some creature.
Everyone, let's go fight this Mastosaurus Rex. Hiya!